What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to YB Works. Today, I want to introduce you guys to Pearl. She's my work truck, but I'm a car guy, so everything's a project. It's always gonna get stuff done. You can see some of the stuff we already got done. We got the hood wrap, we got the light bar and the grill. It's probably not gonna stay there, but when I got the truck, we had to replace this. We got fog lights done, and then on that, it had some stuff going on here I had to do a little bit, so I already got bed liner here, done a little bit of body work, nothing major yet. And then, other than that, I stripped these off because they were horrible looking. I got my bed liner going. And if y'all would like to know some of the stories on Pearl, I got a good bit of stories on her. I've had it for 3 years. We've missed some of the projects on camera, but if y'all would like a story time, leave it down in the comments, let us know. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button. And today we're going to show you how I got the fuse box in here and just pretty much how we got to where we're at now. I don't know if you can see it down in there, but just stick around and see. You'll see how we got to this point. Alright, so now we're going to give Pearl another fuse box. That way I can wire up my light bar to it and anything else I plan on adding to the truck. So here's the fuse box we're going to use. Got some fuses that come with it, labels, we got some wire. So first thing we got to get done is putting ends on this wire, and then from there we'll be back to the truck and we're going to figure out exactly where we're going to run this to based on where I can get it to with the wire and what makes that pretty easy to get to. Alright, so now that we're set up, first thing I got to get done is get these ends on. I'm going to see if I have one. If not, we're going to make one, but it's a little bit later. I'm running out of daylight, so I'm going to just let y'all guys watch me work for now. Alright guys, so now we got the wire run inside the truck. I gotta really figure out where I'm gonna put this box, if I'm gonna have to make a bracket or something like that to put it, cause ain't not a ton of room going on up under here. That's not in the way of something, so I'm gonna figure that out. But I'm starting to lose daylight, so it's gonna be kind of hard for y'all to see, so I'll show y'all where I got to when probably in the morning. Alright, so as you can see from the last thing y'all seen, things escalated pretty quickly. I run the wire in, I got my box where I wanted it. I thought I was gonna put it in here, and then I had changed my mind, and I was like, let me see if I can get a little more room here, and then things just kind of fell out here and there, and well, we got to this point. So I'm thinking about just doing a custom center console, temporarily mounting stuff for now while I work on that, and then that'll be later in the future. But so that's the end of it for today. As you can see what we got done, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, comment down below, let us know what you think of the video, whether you like it, don't like it. Make sure you hit the like button if you did like it now, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you do not miss the next install of Pearl, where we put these LED rock lights on there and you get to see these things lit up and everything on that next video of Pearl. Okay, so make sure you guys stick around. YB Worx, and we out.